Is your money safe in the cloud? Unpacking bank linking with Wave. Ever spent hours staring at a spreadsheet, manually entering transactions from your bank statement? Yeah, not exactly the most thrilling part of running a business. That's where cloud accounting software like Wave comes in, promising to automate that tedious data entry and save you precious time. But here's the thing, to truly unlock Wave's magic, you need to link your bank account. And that can make some folks nervous. We get it. Handing over your financial information online is a big deal. So, the question is it safe to link your bank account with Wave? Let's dive deep and unpack the security measures Wave employs to keep your money safe in the cloud. Breaking down the encryption barrier. Imagine your bank account information as a secret message. To ensure it stays private, Wave uses something called encryption. Think of it as a fancy code that scrambles your data, making it gibberish to anyone who tries to peek. Here's the technical term. Wave utilizes 256-bit AES encryption, the same industry standard security used by banks and financial institutions worldwide. That's some serious muscle protecting your data. But wait, there's more. Multi-factor authentication. Encryption is a great first line of defense, but Wave takes security a step further with multi-factor authentication, MFA. This adds an extra layer of protection when you log into your Wave account. Think of it like a two-step verification process. You enter your username and password, but then you also need a unique code sent to your phone or email to gain access. This extra hurdle makes it much harder for unauthorized individuals to crack into your account, even if they somehow get hold of your login credentials. Read-only access, Wave can see, but can't touch. Here's another key point to understand. When you link your bank account with Wave, it grants read-only access. This means Wave can see your transactions, but it cannot initiate any transfers or payments from your account. Think of it like browsing a library catalog. You can see what books are available, but you can't just walk out with them without checking them out properly. In the same way, Wave can see your financial information, but it can't make any changes without your explicit authorization. Regular security audits, keeping a watchful eye. Wave understands the importance of staying vigilant. That's why they conduct regular security audits by independent security firms. These audits are like having a team of digital detectives constantly scanning Wave systems for vulnerabilities. If any potential weaknesses are identified, Wave takes immediate steps to address them. This ongoing process ensures your data stays secure and protected. Transparency is key. Wave puts you in control. Wave believes in being upfront about their security practices. They provide clear and concise information about their security measures on their website. You can easily access this information to understand exactly how they protect your financial data. Plus, Wave gives you control over your linked accounts. You can choose to disconnect your bank account at any time if you ever feel uncomfortable. Security concerns, addressing the elephant in the room. Of course, even with all these safeguards in place, some folks might still be hesitant. Data breaches happen, and the thought of your financial information being compromised is a valid concern. Here's the thing, security is an ongoing battle. No system is foolproof. But Wave takes security seriously, and their commitment to robust encryption, multi-factor authentication, and regular audits significantly reduces the risk of your data being compromised. The bottom line, weighing the risks and rewards. Ultimately, the decision of whether or not to link your bank account with Wave comes down to your own comfort level with online security. If you're still on the fence, consider the benefits. Automating data entry with Wave can save you countless hours, allowing you to focus on growing your business. So, is it safe to link your bank account with Wave? Based on the security measures they have in place, the answer is yes. Wave offers a secure platform for managing your finances. But remember, the final decision is yours. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.